Hey guys, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you about my custom bonuses for Playboost. So right now I'm on my bonus page. This Playboost lets you create animated images for your videos, which you can put them on sales pages, on your course pages, or on your landing pages, or wherever you want to put. So you will get images something like this, these animated images instead of static images for YouTube videos. And this product will be live tomorrow at March 31st at 11 a.m. Eastern, and my full review for Playboost will be live tomorrow as well. So without a further ado, let me just jump over to my bonuses, which I have curated for you guys. You're currently seeing the bonus page, which I'm still working on, but I have got the bonuses ready for you. So the very first bonus which you're going to get is the ultimate traffic mantra. That is a proven system to get massive traffic to your Playboost videos. The videos which you are going to create for your sales page, for your YouTube channel, then using Playboost animated images. Using this traffic method, you can just increase the engagement on those videos. And also the makers of this Playboost product claim that the views gonna increase by 30% on your videos. So I'm really excited about it. The next bonus which you will get is free traffic frenzy. So in this tutorial you will learn how to get free traffic for your videos. So all these are custom bonuses which gonna complement Playboost very well. So that is why I have chosen these specific bonuses for Playboost. Okay, now number third bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. So using Playboost, yes, it's gonna help to get more engagement to your videos, but this training will also teach you all the nitty-gritties to help you grow your YouTube channel. Bonus number 4, it's going to be the 10K a month case study. Here you will learn how you can earn $10,000 per month by sending emails. So that's again a money making strategy which you will learn in this bonus. And in order to get the bonuses, all you have to do is just click on any of these yellow buttons and you'll be directed to the sales page of the product from where you can buy it. All right, the bonuses are not over. Bonus number 5, it's the crazy traffic explosion. So it is a step-by-step information on driving massive quality traffic using really cheap paid methods that you probably haven't heard of. So this will tell you about the paid methods which you can use for your videos. All right, coming up next, bonus number 6, it is easy passive paydays. So in this training you will learn how you can start generating more than $100 to $200 every single day without having to waste money on paid traffic. So again, this is a make money online strategy with all free traffic. So all these are not just rehashed PLRs which I'm giving to you. All these bonuses are almost new products by super affiliates like Jonu Armstrong and Brendan Mace, and I've got the giveaway right to all these products. So that is why I'm giving all these bonuses to you. And you can just Google any of these bonus and you will see that these are all recently launched products, and these are full-blown tutorials, not just one or two single videos. So moving on, number 7, that is from broke to 100K per month. So in this training course you will learn how to sell items on eBay without spending a lot of money. So again, this is a new strategy which you can include in your business for additional passive income stream. Okay, the next bonus is solo ad escape. So in this training you will learn how to properly run solo ad campaigns for your affiliate offers, for your sales pages, or whatever you are trying to sell. Okay, bonus number 9, it is Jono's Bing ad course. So in this training course from Jono Armstrong, you will learn how to use Bing ads properly to build an email list. And bonus number 10, you will get 500 royalty free background tracks to enhance your videos. So it's all about videos these days. With Playboost, you want to increase the engagement on your videos, and combined with my bonuses, you're gonna crush it. And these are not, as I told you, these are 10 super custom bonuses for you guys. So it's a great deal which I'm offering to you. If you decide to buy Playboost through my link, you will get all these bonuses. Now, in order to claim the bonuses, all you have to do is just email me the copy of your receipt on support@passiveincomemethods.com, and I will send your bonuses to you. And please be on the lookout for my full review video of Playboost that will be live tomorrow and 31st of March 2019. So guys, I hope you have found this video useful and you can make an informed decision about buying Playboost through my link or not. So I hope you found this video useful and you can make an informed decision about buying Playboost through me or not. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.